What's up, guys? It's John Muscarella from Side Hustle Experiment here, and today I'm going to kind of cover all the different things that went on today. It's kind of a busy day all over the place. If you could like and subscribe to the channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. It means a ton to me. So today I was interviewed on eBay Addicts YouTube channel. Super grateful for that. I talked about how I decided to go full-time. I talked about my warehouse, how much rent it is. Pretty much covered a lot about my business, stuff that I haven't talked about on this channel. I'll link that down below. Definitely go check that out and give that video a like. The helper was here today. His vacation got cut short, so that was kind of good news. We got through, I don't know, 5 Gaylords maybe. We got through about 5 Gaylords, and yeah, I'm doing something different now. So we've been doing the Gaylords together. So he'll flip the books barcode up, I'll scan them, and then I'm deciding now with the new rules, or I'm putting in new rules. We're doing more merchant fulfilled. I'm making a decision right then and there whether to do an MF or send it to FBA. And I'm also grading the book right on the spot. And it seems to be working pretty well. Like, I don't really think it takes that much longer to grade the book real quick while you have it. I just put it on the cart. The front of it is good. The middle kind of is like, the back 2 spots is like acceptable with markings. I'm also partly doing this because the lister is off this week, so I'm most likely going to list the books. So it is one less step that I'll have to take. Usually all the books go on the table, then I sort all the books. But this seems to be working out pretty good. So yeah, it might take like 1 or 2 seconds, but I'm going to spend probably an hour anyway resorting them. So like, why touch them one more time? So we'll see how that works. A decent amount of merchant fulfilled were put aside. Still working through that. I did sell a $250 book merchant fulfilled today, which was awesome. It was an older one that I had around, but still cool. The new merchant fulfilled system is kind of working. It's still hard to find the books. Again, my plan was to use the integer count and accelerator list. So basically at the end of your SKU, whatever you put in there, it'll be like 001, 002, 003. And then I just put the books away in that order. And then when someone orders it, I would look at the integer and basically, based on what number it is, like if it's number 30, I'd probably look, where the 30th book might be on that shelf or somewhere around there. So it's kind of working, not working that great. I think we're really gonna have to do a ticketing system, but not really sure what that's gonna look like yet. I know some other softwares offer that, so I might have to look into that, but right now we're just gonna kind of go with the flow with that. What else happened? Oh, I'm starting to get back. So with the new storage restrictions, I pulled, I think, close to 300 items. I had Amazon sent back to me. So those are basically coming back. I think about 15 or 20 boxes were delivered today by the UPS guy. They look like they've been like beat up pretty bad. I don't know why they shipped them so crappy back to you, but whatever. Most of those will be listed merchant fulfilled, or that's the hopes anyway, based on the data that I saw. So once I get that situated, I will do that. One of the things I wanted to get done that I mentioned on Sunday was to start OA and place my first order. So this morning I set up a tactical arbitrage account. I have used tactical arbitrage in the past. I haven't really, I am definitely not a master at it, still total newbie. I know somewhat of the basics, not really like, not a ninja, But I feel like this will jumpstart the process to start finding one. I definitely want to place one OA order this week. So I started 3 searches. Basically, if you don't know what tactical arbitrage is a piece of software. Basically, it helps you find items on online stores that are selling for more on Amazon. For example, you could like search Target, the toy section on Target, and it will scan all the SKUs and the prices that are on Target.com and compare them against Amazon. And then if there's like a certain margin and you can make money on the toy, tactical arbitrage will show you that result. So yeah, some of the stuff is like sold out already. You know, there's some issues, but you know, it's how it goes. I've used it in the past. I have definitely found profitable stuff in the past. So yeah, I just got to get back using that. I think the plan is going to be to do that in the morning, like do load books in the morning, like basically get to the warehouse at probably like 6-ish like usual, then go right into OA, maybe set up searches at night, hopefully buy a few things by the end of that. The helper comes at 8, so maybe get him set up scanning and then kind of finish that up, ship packages for that were ordered yesterday, and then help him scan and get through the books, or who knows, maybe just let him do it and focus on more OA. Still not sure, but I'm gonna work through it. I'm trying to think what else, anything else happened today. I reached out to my DVD dud buyer. He's coming on Monday. I have 2 Gaylords for him, a bunch of CDs, video games and computer games. So that will probably be about $1,000, so that's awesome. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Tomorrow we are going to the person who picks up the book duds is coming. It just feels like stuff's all over the place, so we're gonna get organized. We're gonna finish scanning all the books. We're gonna go through all the media, and if there's time, we're gonna start organizing all the books we put aside from this batch and the last batch. This is mainly like popular kids books that will be loaded up on eBay, or books we set aside for the kid book buyer. So we'll do that, and yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'll find an OA item to buy, because that would be really awesome. Other than that, all I could say is just keep going. One of the things I talked about in the eBay Addict interview is the importance of momentum for like reselling. It's really hard to do this in like spurts. Like basically, like if you could do something every day, I feel like you're gonna be in real good shape. And that does not mean you have to work 10 hours every day. It's just doing something little to build momentum. It could be reaching out to, I don't know, someone like me and asking me a question of something you're stuck on. I mean, that could really help you. And like, if you're having like an off day and like just can't get it in, instead of beating yourself up for not working on your side business, just do something really, really small to push it forward just a little. And eventually all those little tiny things will add up and it will help you push through. So that's going to be my tip for the day. I really don't have anything else for you guys. Please like the comment. Please subscribe to the channel. It means a ton. Comment below with your thoughts. If you've done OA before, do you like it? Do you not like it? And do you have any good merchant fulfilled system in place or software you're using? That would be awesome to share too. Other than that, have a great night, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.